Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll learn how to get a live HTML preview in Visual Studio Code. Now, let's open Visual Studio Code. Click the Extensions option. Search for Browser Preview in the extensions. Select the plugin and click Install. Choose Install Anyway. Once it's installed, close the tabs and go back to your HTML page. And write the code for the button. Right-click and select the Show Preview option. Show that the live server is running. And test the other words to check if the live server is working. Click the search box, select the Show Preview option, and click it. Then, go to the browser to see that the live HTML code is running. And write the HTML code on the HTML page. Write the code angle brackets HTML and close it with angle brackets /HTML. And create the head section by writing angle brackets head and closing it with angle brackets /head. And create the title section by writing angle brackets title website tutorials and closing it with angle brackets /title. Add the body section like this angle brackets body and angle brackets h1 website HTML tutorials. Click the search box, then select Show Preview to verify that the live server is working in the browser. That completes today's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.